Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Next thing you want to do is to click on your profile icon. Click on this three slider. Go ahead and click on Account Center. Scroll down right here and click on Personal Details. Go ahead and click on Account Ownership and Control. Go ahead and click on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Instagram account. Now you are here. Deactivating or deleting your Instagram account. If you want to take a break from Instagram, you can temporarily deactivate this account. If you want to permanently delete your account, let us know. You can only deactivate your account once in a week. So what you want to do right here is to make sure you select this by default. Then come down below right here and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you'll be asked to log in with your Instagram user. Once you click on continue, you will be asked to log in. So once you click on continue, you will be asked to log in with your Instagram username and password. Once you log in, give a consent and deactivate your account. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to deactivate, tips and tricks about for more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.